The majestic Chitrakote Waterfalls, located in Chhattisgarh, have always been called the Niagara Falls of India. They are located around 40 kilometers from Jagdalpur. The Chitrakote Waterfalls are formed as the Indravati River plunges 96 feet down a steep hillside. One of the best ways to enjoy this phenomena in all its glory is to take a boat ride at the base of the waterfalls, as it presents a beautiful, inspiring sight. The work of illuminating the waterfalls at night has been completed, and the tourists visiting the place get to see the waterfall in its night's glory till 10 p.m. in the night. The best time to visit Chitrakote Waterfalls is from July to December every year.